Hey photographer, Jessica Whitaker here, and in this behind the scenes video, I'm bringing you along for a creative photo shoot in a studio. Ooh! For the full gallery of images as well as the gear that I use, check out the link in the description box below. And before we get into it, I want to thank my sponsor, Squarespace, for making this free photography video possible. As a photographer, you also play the role of stylist, location scout, customer service rep, accountant, and snack provider. And you need a website that's just like you, can do it all. Enter Squarespace, the all-in-one website platform for photographers. It's more than just a website platform. You can schedule and accept your photo shoot bookings, sell digital products like PDF guides or physical products like art prints, host your domain and custom email, create email lists, and present your work through public or password-protected galleries. If you're a photographer operating during late morning hours, rest assured that Squarespace has you covered. You can quickly troubleshoot any challenges with their round-the-clock live chat and comprehensive help library and 24/7 customer service. A photo speaks 1,000 words, but a seamless client experience on your website is how you can book those $1,000 clients. Build and launch your new website in just a weekend, but if you need more time, you can give Squarespace a 14-day free trial. And when you're ready to launch your beautiful new site, head to squarespace.com/Jessica Whitaker for 10% off your first purchase of a new website or a domain. I'm so excited about this, dude. Thank you for always being down for creative stuff. These are the two outfits for this one because these are all going to be pretty close up, like just torso. So I love the top of this with all the glitter, and then I think this could be really cute under, just to add more interest for the photo since it's going to be basically here up portraits. This is the second one. So I got these earrings. They're Australian crystal apparently. So I freaking love these. It's gonna look so glam on you. Oh my word, I love it. I love it. I've seen this trend a lot where people have like the billowy kind of dresses and then you put this over. And then I just brought a ton of accessories and recently I put them all in these little packaging for the organization. We'll see how long this lasts. Ooh, this is so glam. The earrings, you look so good.
Wow.
Oh my gosh. Isn't that crazy, this light? Oh my gosh. We just finished the first look, but I'm actually fast forwarding a bit for the video to show you the setup. The studio itself is located in Ruston. I'll have it linked down below if you're interested. The studio provides you access to the Edison light, which is this giant thing. So the Edison light, and I only recently learned how to use this like one photo shoot ago. I'm starting to learn artificial light, and this is a great starting point. So the Edison light itself is a small box inside here with a bulb, and this giant umbrella is a modifier. So this is separate. The Edison light, I thought it was gonna be like $1,000, but it turns out when I looked it up on KEH, you can get it for about $300, which was super awesome. Like, I don't know anything about artificial light, I'm just learning. It really does mimic window light, it's incredible. The reason that this giant panel right here is set up is because it's just blocking the sunlight coming in from the window. As for the paper setup, it is super simple, very DIY as you can see. I have pink 58-inch paper from Savage Universal, and the stand itself is also from Savage Universal. I've had the paper since 2018 and it's still holding up. The color is still amazing. So this is 58-inch, which works great for close-up portraits. I have these tablecloths that I've been collecting, and I thought it would be cool to do a shoot where I have it overlaid from the pink, because then we still get texture and we still have the pink coming through, but it's just a bit different. It adds interest and pattern in a way. It's still kind of blurry in the background. That's so cute. Gorge. With your wrist, go deep so we see your manicure. Yeah, exactly. OMG, dude, this is so freaking cute. I love how like pro it sounds. Like it just like the beep going off and then the flash. It's just like, okay, the pro. That's super pretty, Tori. Oh my gosh. I love the corset with this dress. It's so cute. That's so cute. Oh my gosh, gorge. That's so pretty. Cute. With this shoulder, I'm gonna have you bring it back, and then I'll have you I still kind of want like a bend, or not a bend, but like one shoulder higher than the other. So if that is when you're sitting, that might mean putting all your weight on one hip, so then you can have a bit of mobility, if that makes sense. I love this outfit. Like everything is so, oh my gosh, like my favorite thing. The bows are so, and I just can't get over those earrings. Like they're so cute. Love, so cute. It's like so pro with the light. I know you're like on actual pro sets and stuff where it's like probably more, but I'm like, this is the gimbal and the light, like this is just so professional right now. Especially because I used to just shoot in natural light, but now that I'm learning artificial light, like even like the smallest little thing is like so cool to me, just to be able to learn it. Okay, super cute. That's so gorge. Gorge. With this arm, slide it this way ever so slightly. Yep, beautiful. Gorge. Yeah, that's so cute. Okay, I'm gonna have you step forward a little bit. Yep, beautiful. Perfect. Yeah, so I can see a little, yeah, beautiful. Yeah, that's so cute. Okay, cheekbone. Dude, so cute. Oh, that's so cute. Gorge. I'm gonna have you scoot this way just a hair. Sorry, have you keep moving. Okay, beautiful. Actually, and this way, half a hair. There we go. Yeah, perfect, perfect. Gorge. I love the corset with this dress. I'm so glad that it worked out. Gorge. Gorge. The posing. Gorge. Oh, that's super cute. So cute. Gorgeous, dude. That's so cute. The lashes, the cheekbones, you look so good. These are really, really pretty. Ooh. If you're a photographer who's looking to join a kind, encouraging, and inclusive photography community, check out my free Facebook group called Build and Bloom. This is the best place to ask questions about your specific photography business. So whether you need help drafting a response to a tricky client situation, or you just want an extra set of eyes on a gallery before you send it out, Build and Bloom is my best free resource. Find it on Facebook groups. You can also listen and learn to the Build and Bloom Photography podcast wherever you get your podcast. I believe in you and I believe in your business. Be sure to hit subscribe so you're the first to know when new free videos for your business come out. And I will see you in my next video. Click right here to watch and to learn. I'll see you there.